Probably a little easier if you had some help so you know when to stop. I did see one comment on here saying that these will slide. Well, yeah, they're metal ramps, so the metal ramp's gonna slide on concrete. It just happens. I have some wooden ramps that actually slide on my concrete. But if you had these in like dirt or gravel, I think you'd be okay. And this is an all-wheel drive car, so that probably helps get up on these ramps. I didn't want to go flying over the end. But you can feel it when it hits that little lip right there. It gets you up about, say, at the lowest setting, it's like 9 1/4 inches high right now, which already seems pretty high. But if I want to go higher, I can jack these up. Make sure this valve here on the bottom is closed. So let's see how high we can get if we go way up. There's 3. There's little safety pins in here. You can put a safety pin in there. If I can go up, hit that other one. Yeah. Put that safety pin in. Let me see what that is now. That's about 13 1/4 inches high now. And I could do the other side. I put the one pin in, then jack it up a little more and put the other pin in. 3. I got my safety pins in. Now I don't have to worry about it falling. That sure gives me a lot of space under that car now. Geez, I can almost sit there. And I got my safety pins in, but yeah, that's a lot of space. Definitely get you a lot of space under your car or truck. And they're about 45 inches long. So if you had like a lower profile car, I think these would work good for that because they're really long. My other ramps are really short compared to these, but really strong, definitely heavy, strong built. All right, that's it for this review on these metal car ramps. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. And if you want to check some of these out, I will have a link down in my description that will take you right to Amazon to buy these.